Ayan, so another question. So ang sabi niya, attorney, what are the tips before taking law school? So I'll give you three right now. No? Let me see if I can give you more tips. No? The first one is know your whys. Ano ibig sabihin ng know your whys? Know your whys in law school. No? Bakit ka magte-take ng law school? Do you want to be a lawyer? No? Why do you want to be a lawyer? Is it your parents' dream? No? If it's your parents' dream to be a lawyer, no, I suggest wag mo na ituloy, wag mo na ituloy mag-law school, no? Kasi diyan matetest yung will mo to push yourself further, no? So, if you're doing it not for yourself, no, I suggest find other things na you can do for yourself, no, where you can find fulfillment kesa na maghahanap ka or kesa nagagawa ka ng bagay na alam mong hindi ka fulfilled kasi in the first place you are doing it for others or not for yourself, no. So I suggest stop mo kung hindi naman yan para sa iyo, no. So yun yung important, no? Know your whys. Second is develop a strong reading habit. So in law school, you will read a lot of textbooks. No, I don't recommend reading review materials, yung concise, yung summarized. I don't recommend that. No, what I recommend is reading textbooks, reading the decisions, reading why this was the ruling before, now ito na yung ruling, and bakit siya nagbago. Dapat ganong reading yung ginagawa natin, hindi yung direct tayo sa reviewer, no? Alam natin yung sagot, ito yung sagot, ito yung sagot, pero hindi natin alam kung paano naging ganon yung sagot, no? So, develop strong reading habits, which leads me to my third tip, no? Practice critical thinking, no? Kasi sa law school, you will learn to analyze arguments. If you read more, eventually, no, you will develop this critical thinking kasi nga, let's say for example, you're reading a one paragraph, no, from a certain textbook, no. Pwede mong tanungin, no, what is the main issue in this paragraph? Ano yung gustong sabihin nitong paragraph na to? Kasi yun mamaya yung reading habit mo kapag nag-aaral ka na sa law school, no. Take note, mahirap magbasa ng law books kasi madaming finifeed na information at lalong-lalo na kapag first year ka, akala mo yung binasa mo yun na yung ruling, no? Pero yun pala, mababaliktad pa yung ruling in the next pages or in the next paragraph. So, importante yung meron kayong critical thinking. So, yun muna yung 3 tips muna ibigay ko sa inyo. Okay?